Today, let's talk about the daily life of Alucoworld factory. After the outbreak of epidemic, our factory returned to daily production. The difference is that, in the past, many foreigners visited our factory or checked the goods every day. Now these are gone. Instead, we repeat production every day. Our workers' daily work is divided into three parts. The first part is delivery. Containers will be loaded in our factory every day and then will be sent to Shanghai port, waiting for the shipment to the road. The continuous appearance of these containers makes us feel that the world's trade is gradually recovering and the world's business will be better. The second part is to accept a larger number of new raw materials into the factory every day. Thus, our inspectors are busy inspecting different raw materials every day. The third part is production. Our production line is divided into day shift and night shift. 24-hour uninterrupted production ensures that we can complete each customer's order in 1 week to 10 days.